Overlays form the graphic interface between a machine control and a user. Overlays can be in a wide variety of different types of environments, ranging from harsh industrial environments where they may be exposed to a lot of abrasion or heat, to very simple applications that may be as simple as the control on your microwave oven. Metalphoto of Cincinnati has a range of different products to meet the needs of our customers, from very simple to very complex. Metalphoto of Cincinnati can provide design assistance for our customers for graphic overlays. There's oftentimes a lot of things that go into the design of an overlay that a customer may or may not be familiar with. We'll work with our customers to really help them understand what those things are. Something like how the thickness of a material may affect how the touch of a switch feels when it's activated.
If someone's not sure if they prefer a plastic, polyester, polycarbonate typically, as opposed to a metal overlay, we may send them material samples for them to test or for them to inspect and explain to them the various, the benefits of the different printing methods, the different materials. So we are a partner that way.
There's a wide range of different materials and processes that can go into making an overlay. And it's really our experience at Metalphoto of Cincinnati that guides us in helping to meet the customer's needs and apply our processes and materials to their products to come up with the best solution for them.